So finally we're gonna finish the last part of the model, which is the wooden base. So like as usual, we click on the LAM assembly, activate the components. You can switch that off for a moment. New components, and we can name it as a wood base. Same as before, go to create sketch, choose XY plane, rectangle, center rectangle, start from the origin, 90 by 90. Yep. So in the drawings, we only have two holes. It's similar to the wood top, but you notice here, you have a 5 diameter circles, but only go down by 6 millimeters, and the other side have a 12 millimeters diameter circle, but only go in 3 millimeters. So we're gonna do it in the top and bottom as well. So let's extrude it first. So go modify, press pull, select the plane, and let's double check. So 6 plus 3 is 9, so it was just a wooden base thickness, so it's 9. Just to make sure all the wooden base you've made is 9 millimeters, and all the acrylic should be 6, so make sure you double check the files. So press OK. So let's click on the top. So now we can go to create sketch, click on the surface. Let's go to the point here. So we know that this should be in the midpoint, in midline here. So let's randomly click in here and here. Then we should use the sketch dimension to double check. Yeah, 15 on spot. Let's double check that again. Yeah, that's one as well. And then it's 45 in the midpoint here, which is similar to the previous, the first drawing, the wood top. So sketch dimension here, 45. Yeah, that's it. Good. That one should be the same because it's drawing on the midpoint here. So just to make sure. So now finish sketch. Once that's done, that's for the top part, which is the 5 millimeters hole. So now we go to create hole, click on those 2 points here. The diameter is 5, we'll change it. Make sure the hole tab type is simple, and the height, as we know, is 6 millimeters. So we change it to 6. So we only go in by 6 millimeters, not all the way. So click OK. So part 1 is done. So go to the bottom. So we can go to bottom, click on here. Everything the same. Let's draw out the create sketch. Let's draw the points as well. Here and here. And use sketch dimension, double check. It's always a good idea to double check everything and put out the sketch dimension, because in the future if you want to change it, you can always like, oh, I double click it and say, oh, 20. See, that's easy. So 15, let me go back. So let's do that again. 45. Yeah, press D, set point, edges, 45, enter. Good. So finish sketch. So that's the top, that's the bottom. So the bottom, it's 12 millimeters circle, but go sunken by 3 millimeters. So let's go here, create hole, click on the sketch point, and this time change diameter to 12, and the height is 3. Let me double check. Yes, 3. So now going upwards, but now this time the drill point we want it flat, and make sure, oh, that's for the same for the top part as well. So top part should be flat, 5 millimeters and go 6, and the bottom should be 12, 3 millimeters going upward or going down. And make sure it's flat, simple, and click OK. Then at the end of result, you should have this one. See that? Bigger result in here, bigger holes in here. That's for the brass rod to go in, and that using nuts to tighten it. And finally, we get a given material for that as well. That's a wooden base, so we're going to use pine as well. Drag it in, close, and that's it. So let's make sure you save, click OK, and that's it. Now next video should be ready to assemble.